Big electric companies are not always reliable. They sometimes shut off and cannot help you when you and your family are in dire need of power to keep you warm and safe. But what can you do when it is the only power you got at home? Stay put and learn more about Easy Power Plan, your great alternative to a power source. Easy Power Plan is your simple and easy guide to creating your very own home power plant. By having your own power source, you will be able to cut down your electricity bill by 60% and will be free from the clutches of big energy companies whose electricity is getting more and more expensive and becoming more and more unreliable, especially when you need them. Imagine having your own electricity during storms, cold nights, or just the usual power interruption. Imagine having a safe and clean source of energy that can power up your home every day and every time without the high electricity bill and only with a few materials that you can build even with one hand. Yes, it is that easy. It is a digital product so that you can download it and can view the step-by-step guide anytime and anywhere. It is an affordable solution to attaining peace of mind and safety for your family, to always have unlimited power supply, just like thousands of families who are already free from spending their hard-earned money to electric companies. This is the perfect solution for you if you are looking for a trustworthy power alternative. It is easy to make and very affordable. Easy Power Plan is a step-by-step digital guide that will help you create your own electricity to power your home. You will be given a complete guide to building your own power source, including detailed instructions and clear illustrations. There will be video tutorials on how to do it. Yes, you will be guided every step of the way and be given the list of materials that you need, which you may already have or your local junk shop. It uses the endless power principle used to make the electric cars constantly charge themselves from the wheels when not being accelerated. Its brilliant design was carefully crafted so that it is easy for everybody to build it. Imagine the savings you can enjoy from not paying huge electricity bills. This is the perfect investment for you and your family, and it is absolutely risk-free as it is backed with a money-back guarantee. Ensure your family's safety and avoid the hassle and danger of experiencing untimely power loss. Get your Easy Power Plan now and feel the difference.